Hey, I got a joke for you. Why did the pirate?
This can't be good.
Why did the pirate have the people walk the plank? Oh, I screwed it up. Forget it.
He can't tell a joke. Anyway, welcome. My name is Melinda Coletta. This is some guy I live with. His name is
Philippe
Griffin. Together we're professor chef and we teach you how to play with your food. So tonight we're making a gluten-free who put the lime in the coconut pie.
Jimmy Buffett menu.
Or for our Jimmy Buffett menu. So go ahead, tell me what you're gonna do.
I thought you were doing this one.
You can make the crust. I'll make the other stuff.
See, now you make something that I don't normally make it this way. So we're taking rice checks.
Yes.
And we pureed them in the food processor.
Right.
Right, rice checks. The big thing on the box says
gluten-free.
So we did gluten-free. Because we are making a lime and coconut pie, we want that flavor, like that rum flavor, that sweet flavor. So we're adding brown sugar.
I don't think it was a rum flavor I was going when I designed this. It was more of a, we love doing this pie.
More with, Jamaican. Yeah.
With,
you're Jamaican, you got the rum, baby.
Can you, please? We like doing this pie with a ginger snap crust. So we take ginger snaps and put them through the food processor, but obviously you can't do that if you have gluten intolerance or an allergy. If you could find gluten-free ginger snaps, that would be perfect. So
but this is also affordable and obtainable.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
You know, and that's sometimes I hate to say the poor people that have the gluten-free stuff.
Like
some of the products is just so expensive. This is your average everyday price.
So that's our ginger. So we needed to sweeten the rice checks because normally when you do graham cracker crust, it's already sweet.
We're putting the ginger in there because ginger snaps.
Yeah.
And it's going to go well with the flavor.
It does.
It's got that Jamaican flavor.
Okay. Jamaican be crazy.
We Jamaican.
Oh.
With the butter. I normally would make this with softened room temperature butter, but my lovely bride makes it with melted butter.
What do we agree on?
That we love each other.
This is what, are we in week 11 or week 10?
I think it's week 10. Next week is week 11. Holiday on Monday.
Oh, Memorial Day, yeah.
I would say it's Labor Day, but that's the other stuff.
No,
I always get it mixed up.
That's the other one. So, if we were debating about this morning, if you think it needed a little bit more moisture at this point, would you add rum? Would you add water? Would you add more butter?
You're asking me what I would add.
He's probably gonna add rum.
I would add the rum.
You want to try something? You want to?
No, I don't think it needs it.
I don't. Yeah, right.
It looks nice and moist.
He used the word moist.
Good way to tell if it works if you crunch it up in your hand and it holds together. It's holding together pretty well.
Yeah.
You know. All right.
So I want you to put in this one. So I love these metal pie tins.
That's a lot of crust.
Well.
Did you measure correctly?
Oh, I didn't. No, I didn't. I just gave you a bunch. Anyway, these metal pie tins are really good. So because sometimes the glass ones are so deep, and I think this one works well with a lower profile pan. And then, do you want this, or you're not ready yet? The other thing that I like to do is we have a mortar and pestle. And I take this and I tamp it down, tamp. If you watch the mini cheesecake recipes, the mini cheesecake video, I'll post it up here. When it goes over to YouTube, we do that.
You tap it down. All right.
I tamp it down in the ginger snap crust.
So that's pretty decently. So now we're going to bake this in the oven for about 10 minutes, approximately.
Thank you. I'll take it.
All right. I have all the fun stuff. Make me do the hard
stuff. So we have a measuring cup, and I'm going to mix everything in the measuring cup. Why? Because I'm lazy. It's less things to wash. So here I have a can of sweetened condensed milk, not evaporated milk, the sweetened condensed one. So that just is luscious, luscious, luscious. So we're going to scrape that can out. What are you shaking your head for?
I'm not shaking my head about anything.
All right, I think he is.
I'm just watching you.
I think he is.
All right, now, This is my method.
All right.
So put the can down.
Hold on, I'm still waiting. I'm still getting some stuff out. Oh, I know what you're gonna do, but okay.
So you have a can. You can always use it in a measuring cup. And we also, wait a minute.
So in there was a half a cup of key lime juice. Now, you probably can't get key lime juice
Yes, you can.
easily, but you can order it from Amazon. Okay, so I forgot, was this about like $10?
No, less than that.
Yeah. Anyway, so that we use this. It's fantastic.
If you're making key lime pie, you need key lime juice.
Yeah, I mean, we've done this with the lime juice, and it's okay. This stuff is thebomb.com. And this is like the emergency stuff that comes. And this is from concentrate. This is not like the lemon juice we like.
Right.
So, all right, so we've got sweetened condensed milk. We've got our lime juice. Well, not quite yet. And we've got our rum in there. All right, now it's time for the eggs.
Right, so we didn't crack these eggs up ahead of time. When you crack an egg, I'm cracking on a flat surface, I'm going straight into my fingertips. These are extra jumbo eggs from Stamp Farm.
Yep. No, the other way. The other way.
What?
You were going to put the white in.
I got it.
I
need help.
Yeah.
I had to make a big mess.
You do.
I made a mess. That's all right. So if you look, double yolks, guaranteed double yolks.
I mean, not guaranteed, but
this is the sixth egg I've cracked, and they've been double yolks.
oh, every one in that dozen has
for the extra jumbos.
Super jumbos. So I'm going to start. I want to break the yolks first, because let me tell you something. These are double A eggs, which you cannot get in the grocery store.
Here we go.
And boom. So I believe the recipe
There's
calls.
A fork right there. You can use a fork.
I get it. The recipe calls, I believe, for 4 egg yolks. So we only used 2 eggs, but we had 4 yolks. So I'm just mixing away. Actually, a whip might be better.
Use a fork.
Yeah, we can use a fork too. I just want to get this all, I want to make the egg yolks disappear. And it's tough because they're good egg yolks. Wow. Okay, let me try it with the fork a little bit. There we go. If Cindy Salvado's watching, she's probably going to disown me.
Alright, so 10 minutes is the last.
Yep. Alright, so that looks decent, and he's going to pull out the crust, which is not going to be done, but it's okay. I just got egg all over me. So
The yolk's on you.
Yeah, that's bad. So now I have to wash this because
I know.
I
know. I see.
egg. So normally what we do when we have a pie like this, so this goes for your custard pie, this goes for your pumpkin pie, this goes for any liquidy type pie. What we do is we take the crust and we open our oven and we put the pie plate and the crust in empty. Then we have all the filling in this mug, in the measuring cup, bring it over, and then you pour it in.
That's the trick we taught them how to do in the creme brulee.
Oh, we did that too?
Yeah.
Oh, that's right.
Which tells me
I'll post that recipe up here too.
This is like the creme brulee because it is a form of a custard because we added the egg and we didn't have to add any sugar or liquid because it's all contained in that sweet condensed milk.
Oh, yeah. So he put a little bit of coconut on the bottom. This is sweetened coconut, and you're going to walk it over, or you're going to do it.
I'm going to do it right here so they can see it.
Okay.
And that way I can get more out of it.
Yeah, you can. Here's a silicone spatula for you to use. Oh,
that smells really good. It's fine.
Yeah, it does, doesn't it? Mm-hmm. It's that lime. Mm-hmm. Awesome. Okay.
So I'm going to walk it over to the oven.
Yep.
And put a little coconut over the top.
See what he's doing? He's just kind of letting it. Perfect.
It is thick.
Perfect. Another thing interesting that we found out within the past year or so, a lot of Hispanics take the sweetened condensed milk. And when they're making beans in a pressure cooker, they throw that can in, they take the label off, they throw the can in whole, unopened, they put it in that bean pot, and it comes out as caramel. I mean, who knew, right?
Right, switch again, please.
All right, we're switching.
So we need a topping for the pie. So I get to have my favorite ingredients today. This is me, my favorite ingredients.
And like magic, it's done.
Okay, so favorite ingredients.
Heavy cream
And booze.
Yeah.
And my favorite type of booze.
is
Rum.
So when we made the key lime pie, we did put in Calico Jack coconut rum.
Alright, I'm not using that rum.
Oh, you're gonna use the other rum? Okay, so we used the clear rum in here.
So I want more of a rum flavor this time, not all the coconut. So I'm gonna put a little bit of dark rum in here. This is black strap molasses rum. So it's 2/3 a cup of heavy cream to 1/3 a cup of liquid.
This ISI whipper is really fun to have, right?
2 heaping tablespoons of powdered sugar.
I don't know if everybody could hear you.
2 heaping tablespoons of powdered sugar. Wow, that's a real heaping one. I didn't make a mess. You impressed?
Made a mess here. This is a mess.
It's all right. They don't have to tell anybody. They didn't see it.
No, they saw it.
Ooh.
He's a hot mess.
You married me.
And you did health insurance.
We don't have time for that story.
No. Thank God.
This is a family show.
All
right, so
hey, Phil.
Yeah?
It's not a show. It's barely a video.
Alright, so now we shake it all up. And I put this in the refrigerator. Anything we make in whipped cream, cold really helps out a lot.
Yeah.
Mix into my pocket.
So that's a nitrous oxide.
Laughing gas.
Laughing gas. I'm gonna go through somebody. We can't see the comments all the way back here. Oh, Auntie D, Denise Mancini, she bought one of those ISI whippers and she loves it. Hey, Sue Barry. Okay, that's the only 2 comments I could see.
There we go. There it is. The cake's working. Alright, so now you're in charge of cutting the cake.
So no, you do it because I'm horrible at that. So this was the little mini. I love these little tart cans. I'm shaking too much, but anyway, they lift out. We can eat that crust, just the crust.
Oh, I was making a piece for me.
Yeah. That's the fish spatula.
Mm-hmm.
It is a little bit more crumbly. I think it's a little bit more finicky than a graham cracker crust, but it works.
You know, it came out.
Hey, that came out really well. But that's because I'm not good at that. And then a little bit of rum whipped cream on top of that, and that just kind of finishes.
Sorry, I didn't mean to put that in front of you.
Okay.
Here we go.
Anyway,
Ooh,
so gluten-free.
Who put the lime in coconut pie?
Mm-hmm. So,
Whistle.
we got to do the taste test. And does he ever get a fork out for me? Not unless I ask.
This one right there.
All right.
So good.
I did a good job?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, because I made that.
I like the gingers in the crust.
Yeah, I had that idea this morning in the shower.
Give it a little bit of tang.
Because I'm a ginger freak, but.
All right, so tomorrow, chicken parmesan with gluten-free crumbs. And then next week we're working on a kid-friendly menu. So if you guys have any suggestions, please send them our way.
Yeah.
We got a couple things. We're still hashing out a few things.
Yeah.
I get shut down a lot.
I do have one. I do have one that we can do with Jello, maybe.
Maybe.
Maybe. Anyway, so tomorrow night, live at 5.
Take care, guys.
Goodbye, everybody.